Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to recover deleted tab group in Google Chrome. If you accidentally deleted a tab group, first open Chrome and press Ctrl Shift and T to open the recently closed tabs. This may restore the entire group if it was closed together. Next, open the History menu by clicking on Ctrl and H. And look for websites that were inside the deleted group and open them again. You can then recreate the group manually by clicking on Tab and choosing Add Tab to New Group. Chrome does not have a built-in Undo Group delete button, so restoring tabs from the history is the only method. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video